Hello. Imagine a ladder placed against a wall. You know how high it reaches on the wall. You know the distance of the ladder from the wall, but you don't know the length of the ladder. So do we need to climb the ladder to measure its length? No. We use Pythagoras theorem. So let's see what exactly Pythagoras theorem is and how we use it in our daily life. Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem works only for the right angle triangles. That means the triangle with one angle of 90 degree. Now coming back to our example, suppose this is our wall, this is the ground, and here is our ladder. This is ladder, wall, and this is the ground. Now the wall is perpendicular to the ground, so it forms a 90-degree angle. Here our ground is the base, the wall is the perpendicular, and the ladder is the hypotenuse. So the theorem says the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the square of the base plus square of perpendicular. So it says square of hypotenuse is equal to square of base plus square of perpendicular. This is our Pythagoras theorem. So if we name it as A, B, C, so in our figure hypotenuse is AC, so AC square is equal to base is BC, BC square plus perpendicular is AB square. Now coming back to our ladder and wall example, suppose the distance of the ladder from the wall is 6 meter and the height it reaches on the wall is, let's say, 8 meter. So now we want to find the length of the ladder, that means AC. So putting the values here in the Pythagoras theorem, AC square, because we want to find the length of AC, is equal to BC square. BC is 6. So 6 square is 36 plus AB square. AB is 8. So it will be 8 square, 64. So it becomes 100. So AC square is equal to 100, but we want to find the length of AC. So AC will be under root 100, which is equal to 10 meter. So the length of our ladder is 10 meter. So no climbing, no measuring tape, just simple mathematics. Let's take another example. Imagine a park shaped like a rectangle. Now suppose I walk 30 meter towards east and then 40 meter north. So I'm starting from here, basically 30 meter towards east and 40 meter to north, and I've reached here. Now a bird flies directly from the start to the end. So this is the path followed by the bird. Now using Pythagoras, now this forms a 90-degree triangle, that means a right angle triangle. This will be my base, perpendicular. Now I want to calculate the distance covered by the bird directly from the start point to the end point. So now putting these values in the Pythagoras theorem, we want to find the value of the hypotenuse, that is the distance covered by the bird, is equal to base square. Base is 30 meter square plus perpendicular is 40 meter square. 30 square 900, 40 square 1600, total is 2500. This is hypotenuse square. So my hypotenuse will be under root 2500, which is equal to 50 meter. So the distance covered by the bird is 50 meter, the shortest distance, while I have covered 30 plus 40 70 meter. So this is how In the similar manner, the Google Maps and the GPS calculate the shortest distance. So from ladders to maps to buildings, Pythagoras has proved that mathematics is everywhere. So if you have learned something from the video, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.